Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. First of all, congratulations to all the students who got an internship offer. I wish you all the best. I'm sure you will rock those internships. Trust me, these next 2 months are going to be really great and you will remember these next 2 months for the rest of your life. So let's begin. I'll be telling you few tips from my personal experience that will help you in acing your internship and eventually maybe land a pre-placement offer from your company. So let's start with the first tip, documentation. Yes, that's right. Document each and everything, every rejected approach, every framework that you have tried. Document each and everything that you have done. Generally, what happens is when your internship comes to an end, you have to submit a report or a presentation wherein you have to tell everything that you have done in your internship in the past 2 months. So if you have a record of what you have done, what you have rejected, which approaches that you have tried, it will be easier for you to make that report and present it in an efficient manner, and it will save you a lot of time at the end of the day. So that's why documentation is very much important, and also it's a very good practice to follow when you go and work in such good product based companies. The second tip is talk. Yes, you heard it right, talk. Talk with your mentor, talk with your manager, talk with your teammates. Try to break the ice as soon as possible. The quicker you do it, the more easier it will be for you to work with them. This will help you not only in being familiarizing yourself with the team and the technology stack they have, but also to resolve your doubts quickly. This is a really good thing that you should always do, and the perk of this thing is you will end up being really great friends with them. So you can have a really great relationship with them even after your internship ends. That's why it's one of my favorite things that I will suggest you to do. Moving on to the third tip, that is testing. Don't forget to test your code. Testing is very much important. Keep testing your code at regular intervals. Have unit tests, have integration tests as and when required. Generally what happens, interns forget about testing, and during code reviews they are bombarded with multiple queries saying that your code is failing at this stage, your code is failing at that stage. So if you have testing, it will help you to find whether your code works and in your local system only or not. If your code is working properly, then you can go push it for further code reviews, and it's a really good practice to follow. That's why testing is very much important. Coming to the fourth tip, that is code commits. Keep committing your code at regular intervals with proper commit messages, and review those code commits with your through your mentor or your manager or your team members. The reason why I'm telling you this is this will help you trace your mistakes very efficiently. You can roll back to your previous versions of your code very effectively. That's why having proper code commits with proper code commit messages is a really good practice, and that you should always follow. Coming to the last tip, that is make a timeline. That is time management. Completing a 2 months project is really very difficult. You have to do a lot of things within 2 months. Generally what happens is in the first 2 weeks you have to familiarize yourself with the technology stack that you will be working on or understand the problem statement. And what happens next is in the last 2 weeks you have to work on the report or the presentation that you will be submitting to the company. So technically you have only 4 weeks to work on. So that's really less time, and you have to manage your time very properly. That's why time management is very important. Make a day-to-day schedule, have daily goals, make a weekly schedule, have weekly goals, and make monthly or 2 monthly goals. That will help you keep your project on track and complete your project on time. So these are my few tips that will help you at your internships. I hope these tips will help you. If you have any other tips or suggestion, please let me know in my comments. If you like my content, if you like this video, do share, like and subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting more videos related to coding interviews, preparation for coding interviews, and all the related stuff. Thanks for watching. Happy coding. Have a nice day and have a great internship.